It's been a stormy start here in Poland for both spectators and the crews. WRC 2 runner Ossian Price was the first to suffer on the wet gravel roads, and able to slow his car in time for the corner. He clipped a bank and rolled out of the rally. Teemu Suninen is making his debut in a full-spec WRC car. He too was caught out in the slippy conditions, slamming his Fiesta into a gate. The Finn got going again and went on to set his first fastest time in Stage 6. Andreas Mikkelsen has replaced Chris Meek this weekend, but he too struggled to understand the grip. Slamming his Citroën into a bank, breaking the rear suspension. The Norwegian would continue, but his chances of a decent result were lost as well. Up front, there's been an almighty battle for the lead all day, but it was the Belgian Thierry Neuville who stormed through the final stages of Friday to claim top spot for now. After a tempestuous final day, there's just 5.5 seconds separating the top three, with Ogier beginning to slip adrift.